Guys,
have arrived.
this is my favorite place in Aosta. And this is Aosta Valley. This
Actually, Valle d'Aosta.
Yeah, Valle d'Aosta.
If you want to speak Italian, we might start speaking Italian.
I'm trying.
Well, this is my hometown, so we're gonna stay here visiting my family. We haven't seen them for 2.5 years, and yeah, Robbie's been here before.
Yeah, I've been here. I've been here 4 years ago, and five years ago, and we traveled down the coast all the way to Calabria and went up again. And this is my favorite place because there's so much to do here. The scenery is just amazing. The backdrop. I mean, look at behind me. You've got the snow-backed mountains. Just look around. It's a quiet street surrounded by mountains, wildflowers, and it's just an incredible place. You know, there's so much culture here. It's so rich with Roman history.
A lot of food to explore.
Yeah, a lot of things to eat, a lot of things to try. I'm still learning they have food festivals here every week. We just arrived just in time. I can't wait to get into it.
So we just arrived 3 days ago, and Dad is gonna put us to work. We're gonna go and plant potatoes.
Potatoes.
Let's go.
Let's go.
That's Sheila, the guardian.
She's so fast.
Si rinfresca. Ah, proprio da laboratori, eh? Hey.
Hey.
Chiara's dad has this cool tool that digs for you to plant his potatoes. And we're planting 10 kilos of potatoes to get around 100 kilos in just a few months' time. I love potatoes. Chiara and I love potatoes and can't wait. In Italy, everything is about food. They even name private parts after food. A girl's fanny is a batata, which is a potato. And a boy's pee-pee is equivalent to a pisello.
Io più veloce adesso però. Ok?
Papà, dillo per YouTube.
Pelosa o rasata, viva la patata. Adesso qui gli mettiamo due
Sì,
cassetti.
zucchine. Down for the day.
Yeah. Lunchtime.
After lunch, we headed out to a hidden river within 15 minutes away of Chiara's house. The water comes from an ice-cold glacial waters and a natural spring. And we've been huge fans of cold water therapy and what it does to our skin. And it gives us energy and is very good for my leg and brain circulation, which comes from standing for long hours as a chef for many years.
How is it?
And Chiara as well.
So we've, after 2 months, we have an awesome garden.
I'm getting raspberries
It's raspberry season.
and blackberries.
full. Oh, there's some over there.
But I have to be like very right.
It's the ones that don't have any more red, like solid black. Like this one. It's good. Italy is graced with volcanic soil, so it's very easy to grow an amazing garden. Chiara's dad amends the soil every year with cow manure, just directly from the farm next door. It actually doesn't smell too bad if they're on a good natural diet. So we planted corn, onions. Ciao Tarsitano. This is our potato plants that have grown a lot. Potatoes. Look at these zucchinis. They're so big. Gardening is so satisfying. You don't have to go to the grocery store every single time you're out of something. It's so rewarding. One there. There's tomatoes. More spinach. Basil. Cabbage. More pumpkins. Beans growing on the trellis. There's peppers, eggplants. Everything. And there's pear season. Pears are coming soon. As we're getting our hands dirty in the garden, we decided we needed some protein, so we're gonna head out to the lake.
We're doing something we haven't done in a long time. At least since November.
We going fishing! Got these super cool worm, crazy looking things. They're supposed to be really good for trout. And we found a nice mountain lake. And the thing about these trout is they're super smart. They, oh, I see one now. Let's try and get that one.
I see it.
The water's super clear so they can see everything. I did a lot of research and got the best line, the best hooks.
And I'll get the best fish.
I'll get the best fish. So we got 2 hours because we paid for it. And yeah, we're on the time limit here.
Yeah, here are a lot of rules like that we are not used to. Like we used to fish.
Go fishing wherever we want.
Here you need memberships, pay daily member fee. Anyways, let's get a fish.
Yeah, let's do it.
Has to be worth it.
Thank you guys for watching. We'll keep you updated on our fishing trip until next time. Have a good weekend. See ya.